Okay guys, may bago pang hataw naman si Infinix, yung bagong gaming tablet nila at high-end na rin. Spoiler alert, may mga problema rin. Yung Infinix XPad GT will be considered the high-end tablet ni Infinix at sinabi rin sa title na weird chipset. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng weird chipset? Ang gagamitin nilang chipset which is a 4 years old or 3 years old na chipset, alam mo na rin, Snapdragon 888. Very impressive naman, no? Kasi gagamitin nila is yung 3 years old or 4 years old na flagship chip ni Qualcomm. Performance-wise, I would actually say decent, pero may consequence siya. Snapdragon 888 is well known for its performance, but at the same time, notorious for overheating. Bakit notorious siya for overheating? It's because of Samsung's issues sa fabrication process. So bakit may involvement sa kay Samsung fabrication process? Take note the history of Exynos chipsets noon because Samsung fabricated din sila, meron din silang issues sa overheating rin. So this also follows the same trend sa Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 noon. So ang tanong, okay ba si Snapdragon 888 for gaming? Yes. Kasi pwede pa rin makipagsabayan si Snapdragon 888 sa mga current smartphones ngayon. Pero yun nga lang, yung problema is, syempre, overheating factor nga. Pero kung gagamitin mo siya pang gaming, I would recommend na bibili kayo ng phone cooler para ma-cool down yung chipset.